Hello my dear students, welcome back to my class Easy Mathematics by Sukumar. How are you students? Today I am going to start a new chapter that is called Polynomials and Factorization. This is for class 9. Class 9. This chapter is for AP and CBSE students also. See, it's a very important chapter. Why? Because this same chapter you will have in 10th class also. Okay. See, before I start my class, I request everyone, please like, share and subscribe my channel. See students, if you have any doubts, please mention in the comment box. Thank you. See, what is a polynomial? Polynomial. Polynomial means, students, it is an algebraic expression. It is an expression, algebraic expression. It consists of variables. It consists of variables. Variables means x, y, z, like that, or a, b, c, or p, q, r, like that. So it is an algebraic expression. It consists of variables. Coefficients means like 1, 2, 3, so on, like that. I will give you an example. I will make it easy. Don't worry. So it consists of variables, coefficients. Okay. So it involves the operations. What are the operations here? It involves the operations like plus, minus, into. That means addition, subtraction and multiplication. Okay. And most important, the main condition to be a polynomial is the powers. It's very important. The powers of the variables are positive integers. The powers of the variables are positive integers. It's very important condition. I can give you an example for a polynomial. See, example. 3x cube plus 5x square minus 2x plus 5. This is a polynomial. Here, what is the variable, students? Here, variable is equal to x. X is called variable. Variable is x. Coefficients means here there are different coefficients are there. The coefficient of x cube is 3. The coefficient of x square is 5. The coefficient of x is minus 2. Coefficient of x cube. So what is before x cube? That is plus 3. X square plus 5. But here x, the coefficient of x is minus 2 and the constant is plus 5. So these are the coefficients. I will write here. Coefficients means 3, 5, minus 2, and this 5 is also, we can say, coefficient of x to the power of 0. These are the coefficients. Understand, students? So what is a polynomial? Polynomial is an algebraic expression. It consists of variables x, y, z, like that, and it involves the operations only plus, minus and into, multiplication. And here the main condition of the polynomial, to be a polynomial, is the powers of the variables, means these powers 3, 2, 1, these are positive integers. Okay, I can give you one example here. You give me the answer. Okay, see, for example, see my dear students, here x square minus 5x power minus 2 plus 3x minus 5. So my question is it a polynomial? X square minus 5 x to the power of minus 2 plus 3x minus 5. Is it a polynomial? No. Why? Here the power of this variable is minus 2. So it is not a polynomial. As I told you, the powers of the variables are positive integers. Okay, understand? Now coming to the degree of a polynomial. This is also very simple. Degree of a polynomial. What is the degree of a polynomial, students? See, the highest power of the variable. Highest power of the variable is called the degree of a polynomial. See, I can give you an example. Let me write here first. Highest power of the variable. Highest power of the variable is called degree of a polynomial. Coming to here, example, 3x power 10 minus 5x cube minus 3x square plus 10x minus 5. So what are the powers of the variables here, students? 10, 3, 2, 1, and this is x to the power of 0. So what is the degree here, students? Degree is equal to 10. Why? Highest power of the variable is called degree. So the degree is 10. Okay. Okay. The next one is coming to the degree of a monomial. Coming to the degree of monomial. So degree of a monomial, degree of monomial means sum of all the powers, sum of all the powers of the variables. Sum of all the powers of the variables. That means I can give you an example. Before we get into this topic, degree of a monomial, you have to learn about monomial, no students. Monomial means it's a single expression, single term, not expression, single term, not two terms. It is not combination of two or more. It is only single term. I can give you an example. 3x square y power 4 z power 6. Here the variables are x, y, z. So what is its degree? See, if I ask this question, what is its degree? So most of the students, they used to tell 6. Yes? No, it's not 6. So the degree is, as I told you, sum of all the powers of the variables. So what are the powers of the variables here? 2 plus 4 plus 6. What is 2 plus 4 plus 6? That is equal to 12. 2 plus 4 plus 6 is equal to 12. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. So this is called degree of monomial. Understood, students? Degree of polynomial means highest power of the variable in the expression. So coming to degree of monomial, sum of all the powers of the variables. Okay. And the next topic is types of polynomials according to their degrees. Types of polynomials according to their degrees. You can learn more about polynomials in class 10. Okay. See, if you want to get more knowledge, to gain more knowledge, you can refer my videos, 10th class videos, which I taught polynomials there, right? See, types of polynomials. Types of polynomials according to their degrees. So I will write here degree type of a polynomial. For clear understanding, I will write like this. If the degree is 1, that polynomial is linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. So the example, I will write example also. Okay, for linear polynomial, the example is 2x minus 3 is equal to, 2x minus 3. Okay, linear polynomial. What is its degree, students? Highest power is 1. So its degree is 1. So it is called linear polynomial. What is the variable here? X. What is the coefficient of x? 2. What is the degree of this polynomial? 1. Okay. Next one is 2. degree is 2. So it is called quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. So you can write an example. Right, 3x square minus 5x plus 6. So what is its degree? Highest power of the variable is 2. So its degree is 2. It is called quadratic polynomial. You will learn more about these quadratic polynomials in class 10. Right. Coming to degree 3, third degree. What do you call? Cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Can you give an example? Yes, you can give. I will write here. Minus 5x cube plus 3x square minus 10, like that. You can write on your own, right? So this is a cubic polynomial. Why it is a cubic polynomial? The degree is 3. Highest power of the variable is 3. Right. Similarly, for fourth one, degree 4. For degree 4, that is called biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial. So what is its degree? Biquadratic means 4. That means 2x power 4 minus 5x cube plus 3x minus 10. So this is the degree of fourth degree polynomial. Understand? Degree 1, linear polynomial. Degree 2, that is quadratic. If degree is 3, that is called cubic polynomial. If degree is 4, that is called biquadratic polynomial. Okay. Now types of polynomials. Now according to the number of terms. According to their degrees, I have written here. Now number of terms. If only one term, as I told you in the degree of monomial, only number of terms here. Number of terms, type of polynomial, and example. Okay, students, please copy my notes. Don't simply watching. Keep a separate book and write the notes also. It's very useful, students. Okay, thank you. So number of terms. This is example. Only one term means that is called monomial. So 3x square y, this is monomial. Only one term. If there are two terms, that is called binomial. So that is 3x square plus 5x. That is binomial. There are two terms. Minus 3x square plus 5x, whatever it may be, right? Number of terms are 3. They are trinomial. If there are 3 terms, that is called trinomial. Minus 5x square plus 2x minus 6. Trinomial means it did not be the degree 3. Binomial means it did not be the degree 2. Not like that. So it must have 3 terms. 3 terms, right? Fourth one, monomial, binomial, trinomial. If it is degree 4 or more than 4, that is called multinomial. That means minus 5x power 4 plus 3x cube minus 2x square minus 2x plus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. I write 4. Here you can write 3. Right, minus 5x cube plus 3x square minus 2x plus 7. So multinomial. Only one term means that is monomial, single term. 2 terms are there means binomial. 3 terms means trinomial. 4 terms means multinomial.